Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shahan Nawab from Sichuan Agriculture University, China, and I am representing Team Dexter. Today, I am excited to present CargoLink, a smart logistics solution designed to reduce transportation energy waste by optimizing unused cargo space. CargoLink addresses one of the overlooked challenges in the global transportation: vehicles traveling with partially filled or empty cargo capacity, resulting in unnecessary fuel consumption and carbon emission. Through intelligent cargo matchmaking and route optimization, CargoLinks aims to make freight transportation more efficient, sustainable, and environmental friendly. So before we go to the CargoLink, we have to see the challenges faced. The energy crisis hidden in logistics. Every day, millions of trucks, ships, freight vehicles travel around the world, many of them carrying nothing. Actually, there are so many people that want to send their cargo. There are so many SMEs, small business owners that send their product outside their country. But there are some third-party apps that charge for that cargo too much. So people don't try to send it outside and sell it domestically or just use it domestically. But this thing, the CargoLink, just connect two shippers and senders, and it will reduce the cost also and also the carbon dioxide emission. The deadhead trips, when a vehicle returns empty after delivering good, it still burn fuel. So the CargoLink is used to connect just the shipper and sender. If it's going up, coming back, it can also take the cargo from that side. Why transportation waste so much energy? Empty return trips, manual matching, no visibility, carbon overload, third-party apps that are taking so much money. So that's why people are not sending, and it's like the people who are sending are facing too much problems, like there is manual matching and no visibility and something like that. So what is the solution for that thing? How do we connect the sender and like if I want to send, where is the shipper? The solution is CargoLink, a digital platform for smarter cargo matching, real-time matching, AI powered routing, and emission tracking. That how much did you save? How much did you save your planet? Like the carbon, how much the carbon emission is there is no carbon emission. How CargoLink works? Let me show you a prototype that how CargoLink works. The transporter list space, shipper post cargo, air find match, booking confirm, trip sales commission. So this is the prototype of my app. As you can see, there is the listing of like sea and air and truck. People list their thing, 18 yuan per kg. You can book your space, how many kgs are left, how much you can send, and how much is the price. Sea, air, truck, you can search your own thing and you can book your space according to your needs. As you can see, the cargo that you have reserved is here, Chengdu to Karachi in transit or delivered or pending. You can search where you want to send, and this is the prototype right now. So what our app can already do: cargo listing, transporter post available space, smart matchmaking, live map view, carbon dashboard. We have a carbon dashboard in which you can see that how much are you saving the planet, because if the 25% of unused cargo is used by the small business owners to send their cargo, there is two benefits. One, the business owner can go worldwide. Second, carbon emission is stopped. So from waste to efficiency, a scalable climate solution, affordable and clean energy, sustainable cities, climate action, and partnership for goals. So this is like year one. We are starting a small thing that carbon emission is less, less, and we go up like this. What is cargo different? That traditional logistic phone call common, not tracked, fragmented, but our CargoLink is centralized, AI, real-time emission, minimized through optimization and cross-border. The future of freight is efficient, clean, and connected. Transportation does not have to be world's biggest climate problem. So by this, we are saving the time, energy, and also we are expanding the small business ideas through all over the world. So CargoLink is the smarter freight, cleaner planet. This is not distant technology. It works today, and with scale, it can make a measurable difference to the global energy transition. Like little by little, we can save this planet. Thank you so much.